Welcome to shop early Black Friday. Westinghouse Lighting 7305400 Comet Ceiling Fan, 52-inch, brushed nickel. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include the Westinghouse Comet brushed nickel ceiling fan with light features: a sleek, casual style with reversible blades in two finishes, charcoal and wing. Ideal for any large room, from bedrooms to playrooms, the versatile 52-inch ceiling fan offers classic appeal with energy-efficient LED light bulbs to deliver long-lasting illumination. Westinghouse is a trusted, global brand. Westinghouse knows lighting and offers products with exceptional quality, reliability, and functionality. If you want to get full features and full details of Westinghouse Lighting 7305400 Comet Ceiling Fan, please visit the link in YouTube description. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.